So guys, today we're gonna be doing a BRUDER video, but this time by myself. So I got the Scania Birnie and the police car. Yeah, it's not like proper English police. But first I'm gonna do the police Land Rover first. Like I said in the beginning, I'm doing the Land Rover police car. If you take off the cab and you have that and this wee thing to stick it up, and then of course passenger side. And if you're playing with it, you can steer it from up here. You can take off the tire. And I don't know if you can open up the back. I don't think so. And yes, I can't remember if I have right. It has a tow wheel on it. Yeah, it's a very small one. But now we're gonna do the Birnie. Yeah. Yeah. So like I said, we're gonna be doing the Birnie. First I'm gonna show you all the features of it. Not very much on the front, except for, yeah, opening the doors. But turning it around, got the back. This bit that you can put bends on, you just pop it on there. Grab this wee hand on, chuck it in there. Then you can lift it up, and in there it's kind of dark, but you lift it up to throw all the trash out. Also, there's a warning note going on it, and inside of it is this like ramp thing that there's a wheel on the top so you can move it with to empty out all the trash. Boom. Maybe I could do another one, but yes, and you can take off that and maybe put one in. I'm not gonna do that. So guys, I decided to pick two more. So you got the cat, giant bulldozer, then you got the convertible, nice, and you can change the tires out. This thing on the bottom here, think, yep. And yes, it's a convertible, 2-passenger, nice. That's really all the features on this one. And then onto this big boy. Yeah, this boy huge. You can pick it up like this and move things around. How are you supposed to get in? Yep, got the door. And then this thing on the back is for like digging. Doesn't go up that far. In the back, ain't that much. Then you got these. This one's broken. Come the wrong way around. Can't get it off. Right. Back smooth. These are, see these bits here? Those are meant for things that you put on for extra grip. Here's a bit where you can put another BRUDER guy. Then over here, you just climb in, hop up, your hand, and here, foot there, and crawl in there. And if you're wondering, yes, you can open it on the other side. Nice. Forgot to show you before. So this one. Nice. Very nice. If I pick it up, doors can't open, and it's made in Germany. Same with some of the others. So that's gonna end it off for this video today. I used a cat bulldozer, a supercar, a point car, Land Rover, and yeah, dump truck. So, make sure to like and subscribe. We're on the way to 1,000 subscribers. Mission to 1,000 subscribers on Birnie Family Fun. Stay tuned until we get 10 million subscribers. Eventually, we will. Bye.